Well, I think the logistics is the most important issue that Amazon has to continue to deal with. Amazon is, now represents half of the e-commerce area, which is only 15% of total commerce. So if it's going to go to 40 or 50% of commerce, they're going to have to increase their logistics capability by 3 or 4x. And UPS and FedEx basically can't do that. And so Amazon has to find some new ways to continue to grow their logistics capability. So I think this is an important step, and it's going to continue to help Amazon grow.
And Kate, 5.5 years ago when PillPack was first getting started, this was not a hot area for investment in Silicon Valley. Is it now? Is everybody looking at their portfolios and, along Sand Hill Road and saying, boy, what do we have in the pharma space that Amazon or Google or somebody might want to buy?
Yeah, well, no kidding. We always think that, number one. And by the way, I will debate Walter in that one of the things, I certainly agree, by the way, that logistics is a key part of Amazon's business. But I would say looking at a third of GDP being driven by healthcare and not well penetrated yet by Amazon, I think this PillPack acquisition is a brilliant move. You may have confusions about where public policy is going and being implemented. Once Amazon puts its sights on a market, it's not confusing about where they're going. And the idea that they could get into healthcare and provide better, more customized one-to-one service in a wholesale way that's automated is just unbelievable. It's logistics on the back end for Amazon and on the front end for me. So I think it's brilliant. And I think a lot of folks are looking at, looking in their portfolio and wanting to be an apple in Amazon's eye. And I think the synergies you see between, again, the businesses that they're acquiring here and focusing on logistics of drugs with the licenses and logistics is key. The synergy, though, when I go into CVS and Walmart, who is a loser here in this bidder, I'm picking up a lot of things on the way to getting my drug prescription at the back of the store. Now I'm definitely going to be doing all that online. So I think this just puts Amazon right in a great place. And you add to that, finally, the demographics. That baby boomers throughout the Western world are a growing market and are going to be doing more online.
And of course, Walter, when you're talking about PillPack, you are talking about logistics as well. I mean, I think about UPS. One of their businesses, it's been a higher growth business for them in recent years, has been fulfilling healthcare services, online services, deliveries, et cetera, for some of their clients as well in the healthcare space. But to piggyback off of what Kate just mentioned with Walmart, I mean, we had reports, CNBC reported on this just a couple months ago, that Walmart had been interested in PillPack as well. How much does this up the ante in terms of the competition and the deal making between Amazon and Walmart?
Well, I think Amazon is clearly going to take business away from Walmart in the future, as they have in the past. And I think, as Kate said, I think getting into healthcare is an important strategic effort for Amazon. And obviously, it's something that consumers will buy online and have bought online. So I think Amazon's going to get their share of that and try to focus on improving the customer experience and reducing costs. And I think that's great for consumers, and that's why Amazon's been successful.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.